In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're using Teams for work, school, or personal projects, knowing how to effectively share your screen is a crucial skill. It allows you to present information clearly, collaborate on documents, or simply show someone what you're working on. Let's dive right into the process and make it as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to start by opening Microsoft Teams. You can access it either through the desktop application or directly via the web, whichever suits your preference or availability. Once you've got Teams open, you'll need to join an ongoing meeting or initiate a new one. This is the essential first step, because screen sharing is a feature specifically used in the context of meetings. Once you're in the meeting, turn your attention to the Meeting Controls toolbar. Here, you'll see a variety of options. But what you're looking for is the Share or Present button, typically represented by a curved arrow pointing upwards. Click on this icon and you'll notice a menu pop up displaying various sharing options. This step is crucial as it's where you'll decide exactly what you want to share with others in the meeting. When you click on that Share button, you'll be presented with a few different options. You can choose screen or desktop if you want to share your entire screen or monitor, which allows others to see everything you see, including when you switch between different applications. Alternatively, you might want to be a bit more selective by choosing window. This option allows you to share just a specific application, like your browser or a PowerPoint presentation. If you're aiming to present slides, consider using PowerPoint Live to share a PowerPoint file directly within the meeting, which is especially handy for presentations. Lastly, there's the whiteboard option, which lets you open a Microsoft Whiteboard, offering a digital space where everyone in the meeting can draw or brainstorm collaboratively. If your presentation includes audio, such as a video clip with sound, remember to toggle on the Include Computer Sound feature. This ensures that audio playing through your system is also heard by everyone in your meeting, providing a seamless experience when sharing multimedia content. After you've chosen the content you wish to share, go ahead and click Share to begin. You'll notice a red border appear around the content on your screen, indicating what exactly is being shared with others. It's a helpful visual cue so you remain aware of what's public and what's private. If during your presentation you need someone else to take the reins, you have the option to give control. Simply click on Request or Give Control and choose the participant. This enables them to interact with the content you're sharing, provided both parties have granted permission. Finally, once you're done sharing and ready to return to the meeting without an audience on your screen, click on Stop Sharing in the Meeting toolbar. This concludes the screen sharing session and returns you to your regular meeting view. And there you have it. Screen sharing in Microsoft Teams made simple. It's a powerful tool when used correctly, enabling efficient communication and collaboration with your colleagues or classmates. Happy sharing!